In this video, let's see how you can get a physical SIM online for your new Jio number or port your existing number using the secure and trusted My Jio app. Before initiating the self-KYC request for a Jio SIM connection, please ensure you have your Aadhaar details and the mobile number linked to your Aadhaar. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the My Jio app on your mobile. If you do not have the app installed, then install the same from Play Store or App Store and log in using any alternate number. Enter OTP. Now tap on Get Jio SIM. Enter the mobile number and PIN code and then tap on Proceed. Here, tap on Pay Now. Select the appropriate option to complete your payment. Please note that the Jio Starter Pack will be purchased once the payment is processed successfully. To proceed, tap on Redeem Starter Pack. Now, enter the mobile number, name and delivery PIN code and then tap on Proceed. Enter the OTP and tap on Submit. Here, enter Aadhaar number or virtual ID and tap on I agree followed by Proceed. Enter the OTP received on your Aadhaar linked mobile number and tap on Submit. Tap on Continue. Step 2. Tap on Capture and take a live photo. Tap on the camera icon to save the captured image. Now, tap on Capture and take a live video. Record a 3-second video and tap on the icon to save the captured video. Tap on Continue. Step 3. Note that physical SIM will be auto-selected as the SIM type by default. Select the appropriate option under Join Jio with existing number or new number. Select the plan type, that is prepaid or postpaid, and tap on the appropriate plan and then scroll down. Here, enter details of your alternate number. Select the appropriate option, tap on Continue. Tap on Delivery Address. Enter the SIM delivery address. If the address auto-populates, tap on Submit. If it does not auto-populate and a map page appears, validate the location and tap on Confirm Location. Now, review your details and select the checkbox. Then tap on Proceed. Enter the OTP sent to your alternate mobile number and tap on Submit. Here, tap on Redeem Starter Pack if you have a Jio Starter Pack. Enter the mobile number linked to your Jio Starter Pack and tap on Generate OTP. Enter OTP and then tap on Verify. Please note that the order will be placed once the voucher is successfully redeemed. Alternatively, you can tap on Pay Now. Select the appropriate payment option and complete the payment. Please note, the order will be placed after the payment has been processed successfully. Step 4. After submitting the request successfully, your physical Jio SIM will be delivered to your address by the delivery executive within 24 hours. Please note, you will be required to share an OTP sent to your alternate mobile number to receive the physical SIM. After your Jio SIM is delivered, check the SMS inbox of your alternate mobile number for a message from Jio. You can complete the SIM confirmation process either by sending a message on WhatsApp, by calling the IVR number, or you will receive a confirmation call from 022 350 72222 on the alternate number provided during your Jio SIM request. Follow the instructions on the call to confirm your SIM delivery. To initiate SIM confirmation using WhatsApp, tap on the link. Tap on Send to initiate the process. Next, enter the Jio number received in the message. After receiving an automated response, enter the corresponding details. Enter the last 6 digits of the ICC-ID number shown on your SIM jacket. That's it. Your SIM is now confirmed. You can also complete your SIM confirmation by sending Hi on WhatsApp to 70000 70000 and select option Confirm SIM receipt. Upon receiving the automated response, enter OTP received on your alternate mobile number followed by last 6 digits of ICC ID. Alternatively, you can confirm your new Jio number by calling Jio's IVR number and following the instructions. Enter the last 6 digits of the ICC ID or the SIM number from the SIM jacket. After successful verification via IVR, your Jio number will be activated shortly. Please note, you will be able to use the services of your new Jio SIM after it is successfully approved. This will take a minimum of 15 minutes to process. Now, insert the Jio SIM in your device to get started. You can also track your SIM request. Just visit jio.com and search Track Order to know the status. For any assistance with SIM activation, please call us on 1800 894 9999 from any number. Thank you.